Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Xampp and turning on Apache and MySQL. This runs the web server and database engine. Once done, open http://localhost/phpMyAdmin and create a database. Make a user with a secure password so your app can connect. Make sure the MySQL port is 3306 unless you changed it. Note the database name, username, and password. These are the credentials you will reference in your application configuration, so write them down exactly to avoid connection errors later. Now edit your application's configuration file and provide host equals localhost, port equals 3306, plus the username, password, and database name you created. Use the correct driver, miscli or PDO in PHP. Other languages require their client library, because driver choice impacts prepared statements and error handling. Once configured, run a simple test query like select one or show tables to verify connectivity. If the test succeeds, you know credentials and network are correct. If not, read the error and adjust credentials or permissions accordingly. Finish by assigning least privilege rights to the application user. Do not use root for production tests. Once done, move credentials out of the web root or into environment variables so they are not exposed. Make sure file permissions are tighter on config files and restart Apache/MySQL to apply changes. If things go wrong, check Xampp error logs, confirm the MySQL service is running, and verify no firewall blocks port 3306. These 3 checks resolve most connection failures quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.